Hey folks, Sean here, and today what I want to talk to you about is where to find your target market customers. Now, I've received this question a couple of times in my Slack community, and it goes something along these lines. It's where or how should I be advertising to get more customers for my SaaS product? Now, the answer to that isn't Google or Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn. The answer to that depends on who your target market customer is. And this is usually what I share back, is which problem, like who has which problem that your product happens to solve. And where is that target market persona looking for a solution to that problem? That's the question you need to be asking yourself, really, in order to get the correct answer to that question. Now, depending on what it is you're building or who you're building for, which is the most important part, folks may or may not be searching for solutions to the problem they have that you're trying to provide a better solution to on a platform that you're considering. For example, the product that I'm building now in podcasting, I knew Google Search was going to be able to move the needle for me there because I had done that homework before I even built the product. In fact, that was critical decision-making information in terms of whether or not I would even move forward with the build. I wanted to see who was searching for what did the traffic cost, what was the volume like, and if it was ridiculously competitive and low volume, or either or, I may not ultimately even decided to build the product, but for sure, I wouldn't have advertised on that platform. I found opportunities, and I did some searching on those keywords myself to see what the results came up with, just to make sure that I was relatively well aligned in terms of the solution that I was going to be positioning and marketing when folks search for those keywords. Was that going to match with what it appeared folks that entered those keywords were ultimately looking for? And that looked like it was yes. I have since run those experiments, and it looks like it's working out so far. But I did that homework up front. Now, if you're doing something that, now to be fair, what I'm building obviously is B2B. If what you're building is more B2C, maybe or maybe not, that may be the platform for you, right? Platforms like LinkedIn are great for B2B. Platforms like Instagram, however, maybe Facebook, Instagram might be more B2C. Who knows, right? Facebook may be a little bit of both. It depends on what it is, again, you're planning to build and who you're planning to build it for. So if you're wondering where to go to find more customers or prospects to send to your product to try to attempt to create conversions, make sure you first figure out who it is you're building for and where those folks are hanging out, plus looking for solutions to the problem that your product is attempting to solve.